Hey guys, today on the menu, a giant chocolate chip cookie. Guys, we have the perfect treat for a birthday party. If you want to replace a cake, go ahead and try this delicious giant chocolate chip cookie cake. Let's go ahead and take a look at our ingredients. Okay guys, I decided to go ahead and get my stand mixer so that this can go together pretty quickly. This will be a super recipe to get your children in the kitchen with you. And once my grandchildren get a little bit older, they will definitely be in the kitchen with me. So what we're doing, we're just getting our 2 sticks of butter into our mixing bowl. And we're going to mix this, and our sugars together. So we have 2/3 of brown sugar, 2/3 cups of brown sugar, and a 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar. And we're going to get that right in there with our butter. Okay? And we're going to let this mix until it's a little bit fluffy. You want to go ahead and scrape down your bowl and make sure everything is getting well mixed together. The worst thing when you're baking is at the end when you think you have everything mixed and you have a big clump of sugar and butter at the bottom. That is no fun. So you want to make sure you stop and you scrape it down and make sure everything is getting well incorporated. Our mixture is light and fluffy. And this is exactly what you're looking for right here. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and get our 2 eggs in there. I like to do mine one at a time. And for my beginners cooks, make sure when you're cracking your eggs, crack them into a separate bowl in case you have a bad egg. Egg number 2. Start to get everything all scraped down. We're going to go ahead and add our vanilla extract into here. We're almost done with these cookies. Now we have our flour. We have 2 1/4 cups of flour. In this bowl, I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. That's going to help stabilize everything. And we're just going to whisk that into our flour, like so. And I like to use my whisk. As you can see, it just break everything down and make it light and airy. And we're just going to add this straight to our batter here. We put it in all at once. Okay. don't want to over mix this. Okay, everything is well incorporated. And we're going to mix by hand the rest of the way. So now you're ready to put your chocolate chips inside of your batter. And in here I have milk chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I have some white chips. And you don't have to do it that way. They can all just be regular chocolate chips. But I like to try to taste and be adventurous and see what it tastes like. That way I can let you guys know. Alright, so you just want to get those mixed in there. Get it all mixed into your batter. Okay, so now I'm going to get a pair of gloves on. Because we get ready to put our chocolate chip cookies in a pizza pan. And we're going to have to press that down in the pizza pan. Okay, so we have our pizza pan here that we're going to make our giant chocolate chip cookie on. And this is our chocolate chip batter here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this batter in half. Now I'm the one that like nuts on pretty much on any dish. Any sweet dish, I should say. So we're going to do half with nuts and half without nuts. So you're going to put half the batter here. Trying to do it evenly. Okay, what we got left here? Yeah, so that's good. And we're going to take these walnuts here and we're going to put those in that batter here. Oh yes. That's what Mercy likes. Oh wow. So half and half. You're gonna get that on that side there. Do it look equal to you guys? Some might say, that's not equal, Mercy. It's probably not, but that's okay. So we're going to press this down on our cookie sheet. Guys, I forgot where the nuts are. That's kind of like, I don't know how it's going to do when it bake up. So we can know that side has no nuts and this side has nuts. And this is our giant cookie cake. We're going to put this into the oven and we're going to let it bake for 20 minutes. We already have our oven preset at 350. So guys, this is what our cookie is looking like. It overflowed over the pan. So it's gonna be a challenge to get this out of here. Okay guys, I just pulled my giant chocolate chip cookie out of the oven. and it is massive. Take a look at that cookie. I had to use my pizza stone to pull it off. Y'all check out that cookie. That cookie is so huge. Look at that cookie. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. The pan is hot, so let me bring you down. The cookie batter that I use to make this particular chocolate chip cookie cake will not fit a Dollar Tree pizza pan. You actually need a 15-inch pizza pan to accommodate the batter for this particular recipe. Let me give you a close-up. Let's get into this cookie. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, look at that. Let's have a cookie cake. Look at that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now tell me, this would be a great treat for a birthday party. Let's get into this cookie. That's a good cookie. Those walnuts in there are the best. This is a good cookie. Guys, I certainly hope you give this simple giant cookie recipe a try. You're gonna love it. It's so moist on the inside and the crust on the outside. Oh my goodness. I love that. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And always remember to keep life simple. And we're going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.